everyone, I am Meenakshi. Currently, I am pursuing third year BE in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. As part of the Samsung Innovation Campus program, I have built an end-to-end deep learning model, so that is Sentinel AI. Just imagine a person is being walked in an isolated area and someone assault him. But there is no one to help him, and also there is no record that he is being under assault. So my object of my project is to address this issue with using the AI. So that is Sentinel AI. So this project will tell if someone is got assaulted. So it will generate that, it will detect violation in real time, and also it will generate an alert, and also it will store some images and videos in particular that incident has been happened, and also it will generate the report using the Gemini. So now I will walk you through the ML implementation that I have done from data collection to the deployment. So this is my ML pipeline that I have used. So initially I have set up the environment. I have imported the models, imported the libraries that I will be using in my project. I have created the project directory structure. So instead of storing every file in particular one file, so I have splitted the folders different so that I can store every data in different files. So next I have downloaded the dataset from the Kaggle website by using the Kaggle Hub. I have used the dataset of Smart City CCTV violence detection. Before directly stepped into the EDA, I have inspected the original SVCD structure so that the train, test and validation files will directly upload properly. Here's the file that has been uploaded here. And also I have inspected original source level binary dataset, as the dataset consists of normal and violence. Both dataset has been uploaded properly or not, I will check here. You can see here the test and train dataset has been uploaded properly, and normal has 46, violence 12 for test, and train dataset is 299. Total original videos are 357. I have performed the ED on the dataset to see how many dataset class distribution is there. And also I have plotted some graph to see how the class distribution has been done. So this is the class distribution. So normal class has been 246 images and videos, and violence has 111. So here we can see the dataset imbalance. To address this issue, I have done a class weights integration in the training phase. So this is the visualization of the dataset that has been distributed in the real Kaggle website. So this is the split of train and test. So blue is normal and orange is violence. So before directly stepping into the pre-processing, I have collected some sample video frames to check whether the video is properly uploaded and what's its quality and everything. So this is some sample dataset I have in my dataset. That is normal and violence. This is the distribution of test, validation and test classes that I have done after checking the dataset, what is there inside it. As my dataset consists of videos, my project is detecting the violence. So it's nothing like we can detect the violence in particular images. By seeing the image, we can tell whether it's violence is being conducted or not. So that's why we are using the 3 seconds or some particular video clips to detect the violence has been happened at the particular instance. And also I have used on concept here, that is dividing the particular video into 16 frames so that the violence can be detected if the violence can be detected in sequence of video clips. So this is the samples after the generation of the clips. We have training samples as 842 after splitting it to 16 frames. I have also plotted the graph of how we have done it. So here, as for the CNN model, the video input has to be like in particular shape. So I have done reshaping. Original frame has 720, 1280 and the resized frame has 224 into 224. This is the 16 frame temporal sequence visualization that I have done previously. So initially, if you point to that particular lady, in frame 1, she is entering the particular place. And in the frame 16, we can see the movement of the particular lady into 16 different frames. So here I have checked whether there is some leakage in the dataset or not, as it's a video dataset. So if we consider training and testing phase, so if there is a chances of getting videos in both training and test phase is similar. So I have checked the data leakage is there or not. And I got there is no data leakage in my dataset. Then I have also checked the duplicacy of the video. If there is some duplicate videos is there in my dataset. There is no duplicate. Till now I have done the pre-processing. Now it's phase for the training. So I have used a MobileNet V2 feature extraction. So it's a pre-trained model. I have not done any training from scratch. So I have used MobileNet V2 and it's a model which has been trained on several images, which is useful for the feature extraction in my detection. So we can see the extracted features 16 and 1280. I've also done a graph visualization. So we can see here MobileNet is extracting the features from starting to the end of the 16 frames. Also, once I have extracted the features, I have saved it in different files so that I can use that after whenever I need it. To train the model, I have loaded the extracted features. So these are the features, shapes, and class distribution of train normal and balance splits. To train the data set, the model I have used is BioLSTM. As I initially told, the violence detection is not done by using particular images. It is done using the sequence of video clips. So I have used a BioLSTM. So here we can see initially I faced the issue of data set imbalance. So I have given the class weights to particular violence set. So now the model is not like biased between predicting only normal, and it is also giving the weight for the violence also. Now I have built the BioLSTM model. There's an STM layer, batch normalization, and also dense layer, dropout layer. I have used activation function as sigmoid. Even I have used the optimizer Adam to check whether if an error is there and to rectify that. This is the model I have trained. And this is the model architecture visualization by STM. Till now I have trained the model. Now it's phase to test the model. I have put the visualization of training set also. And we can see as the epoch increases, along with the accuracy of training and validation set also increases, along with the loss also. Visualize the metrics also, recall, precision, and accuracy. I have done testing. I have put the threshold of 0.5. For binary distribution, the default threshold is 0.3. For my model, I got more accuracy of this particular threshold, so I have used this. This is the final test matrix I got. accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and ROC curve. This is the final confusion matrix representation, normal and balance. So this is the end-to-end ML pipeline that I have built. Now I have also integrated web development and created a website, so I will show you the now. So this is the dashboard interface of my project. So as the violence is being detected in the real time, so the real picture will be detected and stored here. I have integrated one webcam also, that's name is cam1 main entrance. And this is the real image detecting correctly. If any violence is detected in that particular webcam, so that will be detected and stored in images and video format. This is the image and video format. This is the video of the particular violence. A person is being hit by the particular object. It will be stored here, and also it will tell the incidents and date, time and location, and with a confidence of 92%, it is detecting the violence. If the particular incident is happened, you can also generate the report using the Gemini. So this is the report I have generated, that incident summary, threat assessment, recommend security actions. This is done using the Gemini. And also it has the incident history, whatever the incidents happened recently, that also gets stored here. So we can get to know how many incidents has been happened particularly, and how many active cameras are there. Also I have integrated the webcam. So this is the webcam. It will take 3 seconds. Now you can see it's normal, there is no violence. If any violence is there, it will detect the violence and it will create an alert and it will give the report also. So this is what my project is all about, a real-time violence detection using deep learning.